An update on the gas caps and pouring nozzles that I made using PLA. And I made this a little over a year and a half ago. So the only time this is tightened on the gas can is when I'm going to get gas and I don't want it sloshing around in the back of my vehicle. Then I snug this up. The square O-ring is in here. I tighten this just enough to keep it from splashing or leaking out. When I get home, I loosen it so the can does not pressurize. And the other day, this one failed. You can see these lines in here, which shows that the gasoline is slowly coming out between the laminations. And if we go inside, this is extremely brittle. That definitely has failed in the presence of gasoline and gasoline fumes. Now, this is a pouring nozzle, and knock on wood, that hasn't failed yet. But I can also see these lines that are getting dark and discolored from the gasoline seeping out between these seams. This is left on a gas can. I loosen it so it's not tight, and there's a gas cap on here. But this is used to pour the gasoline, and it's always present in the gasoline fumes. So definitely PLA will, in time, fail in the presence of gasoline. So I am now reprinting these in PETG. PETG is more chemical resistant. It's kind of somewhere between ABS and PLA. My experience is it's a bit more difficult to print with, but this is pretty tough stuff. And I'm going to see how that holds up, and that shouldn't take more than another 2 or 3 years to test.